Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my creamy, cheesy, loaded mashed potatoes. With all the flavors of a loaded baked potato, it's the perfect low-carb keto side dish for anyone craving a high-carb potato on a low-carb or keto diet. All with less than 5 net carbs per serving. Let me show you how to make it. Begin with a clean head of cauliflower and remove the woody center. After removing the center, give it a rough chop. Place the cauliflower on a sheet of heavy-duty aluminum foil. Add about 6 to 8 peeled garlic cloves to the cauliflower. Give a sprinkle of salt and some ground black pepper. Tightly seal by bringing the foil together and folding the edges. Place in the middle of a preheated 350-degree oven for 1 hour. When it's done, remove and carefully open the foil. While still hot, place the roasted cauliflower and garlic into a food processor. Add some heavy cream and pulse until all the cauliflower and garlic have become a creamy mixture. Add 1/3 cup of sour cream, some finely shredded cheddar cheese, some salt, and a little black pepper. Place the lid back on and process until all the ingredients are fully mixed. Pour our mashed potatoes into a serving or mixing bowl. Add some chopped cooked bacon and some dried chives. Give a final mix to incorporate. You'll want to give a taste here to be sure it has enough salt and pepper. Serve warm alongside a nice main course. Garnish with a little extra cheese, just a bit more bacon, a sprinkle of chives, and enjoy. There you have it, folks. My creamy, cheesy, loaded mashed potatoes. An easy to make and delicious low-carb cauliflower side dish whenever you're craving the real thing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.